This is your 1994 Stigers. It's factory-made trailer. 16-foot long. Got a 2-foot dovetail on it. 14-foot flat with a 2-foot dovetail. It's 82 inches wide. It's got your low boy tires on it. Your 8-14.5 tires. They still got the tips on them here. Part of them, yeah. The man sold his farm. It's got 4-foot ramps on it. They've got a slide. They'll slide a little bit left and right. It's got a heavy floor in it. Looks like a Salt Creek floor. It's got a toolbox on it. It's got your D-ring ties on it, on both sides. Got your ball hitch on it, safety chains, the jack works on it, and a nice toolbox. Put your chains and straps in. It's a real good kind of truck. Got brakes on both axles.